Hey guys, welcome to the Pega free tutorial series. In this tutorial, we'll cover how you can create a Pega report. So let's get started. First of all, go to Launch, click on the Case Manager. That will bring up another screen. Over here, you can see the list of reports. Go to the Reports tab. That will bring up the list of reports available, or you can create a report on your own. So when you run the agent, so as we saw in the previous tutorial, agents has scheduled to run at certain time, and that's when the 8 reports gets generated. So you may ask, so what are the use of report? Well, as you know, business make use of reports like all the data they gathered. For an example, I would say a bank has credit card application process, so they want to see how many of the applications has been approved in a week, or how many of the applications has been declined, or they might want to see what's the credit limit given to each application, or average credit limit of 20 applications. So that's when business make use of the data they collected and gather some meaningful information out of it. So that's what report is, and business uses these reports. So we can, as you can see, these are the reports have been already generated. So we're just gonna take a look at these reports which is already generated. So if I click on the timelines, as you can see over here, it displays the number of process by work type, which is on a resolved state. So if I click on the edit report, that brings me, okay, if I click on the edit report, that gives you the option what you want to. So we have filtered the report by resolved and any customer idea, but you can customize the report the way you want. If you want to remove this, you can just remove. That brings up the whole lot details. Over here you can also drag and drop any other fields which are available. So you can say create operator name, you can just drag and drop here, and that will bring up the report the way you want. So over here also you can define the operator name, or it can be agent name. So I'm just going to leave the default, and the apply changes that again change the report. So you can customize the report the way you want or the business wants. Go to the preview tab. Over here, as you can see, you can export the report. So it's a very cool feature. So you can export the report into PDF or in an Excel format, where you can manipulate the report the way you want, or if you want to generate some more graphs over there, also you can print it out over here as well. So thanks guys, you just learned how you can create Pega report using the case manager tool. Thank you.